special thank you video to all my subscribers. It is a great experience to share with you that I've passed my first milestone and hit 1,000 subscribers mark. Yay! Happy 1,000 subscribers! And this is my 1,000 subscribers cake. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is really amazing. So this is very special. I remember that I started in simple cooking ideas, and now I gradually starting to grow, and I couldn't have done this without you guys. So thank you so much for all the support and for the kindness. And I love sharing cooking tips and recipes in my YouTube channel. So guys, just keep on watching for more Japanese and Filipino inspired dishes. And again, thank you so much for all the support, and see you in my next cooking videos. Happy 1,000 subscribers! Happy cooking! God bless, guys!
Just have a good time in the night. It's